kung sino man yung mananalo talaga, the whole chapter will really support. Kaya, good luck, ATC.
Actually, I'm happy kasi nagkaroon ulit tayo ng face-to-face election dito sa chapter. So, sumakses ang chapter natin for this another election.
Congratulations to ATC na parang every now and then we get to, ano pa rin, improve our systems and be innovative.
As nakakatawa kasi as a nominated chapter president naman, I'm very honored actually na ma-nominate this year. And always naman yung trust na binibigay sa atin, ganun din yung trust sa members.
As a nominee for president, kinakabahan ako na magkamali sila ng desisyon. Joke. Baka biglang success eh. Tawag doon, seriously though, parang it's always a privilege to be nominated, to at least be considered by the chapter for a higher call.
So, sa lahat ng maluluklok sa pesto, ipahayag natin ating pagmamahal sa chapter and let our chapter sumakses.